Yeah. Top cat frequency. If it steals your peace, it might be noise. If it returns you to yourself, it might be signal. Listen. Yeah. Everybody screaming, nobody saying a thing. Scrolling through opinions while forgetting how to think. Notification kingdom, dopamine on demand. Whole world connected, still don't know who they am. Noise got a schedule, signal got a post. Noise wants reaction, signal says pause. Noise says look at me, signal says look within. One builds a prison, one reminds you who you been. If every conversation leave you angry and afraid, might not be wisdom talking, might be static in disguise. Turn the volume down, walk outside for a minute. Funny how the answers show up when the noise ain't in it. Noise to signal, signal to creation, creation to legacy. That's the vibration, that's the vibration. Less distraction, more alignment, less confusion, more assignment. Noise to signal, signal to creation, creation to legacy. That's the vibration. Noise says hurry, signal says breathe. Noise sells scarcity, signal plants seeds. Noise got you comparing your chapter to their page. Signal says your journey don't require their stage. Somebody said, coach, I walked barefoot today. I said, what happened? They said, I don't know, I just feel okay. Now that's a message the algorithms can't teach. The earth ain't talking loud, that's why most never hear speech. Noise is constant outrage, every headline screaming. Signal is that quiet feeling when your soul starts cleaning. Noise got receipts, signal got results, yeah. Noise keeps score, signal keeps growth. Noise to signal, signal to creation, creation to legacy. That's the vibration, that's the vibration. Less distraction, more alignment, less confusion, more assignment. Top examples of noise, living for approval, arguing with strangers, consuming without creating, comparing instead of building, talking without listening, running without direction, gathering information without application. That's noise. Signal, nature, stillness, service, presence, creation, gratitude, honest reflection, keeping promises to yourself when nobody watching. Signal don't always feel exciting. Sometimes signal feels like silence. Sometimes signal looks like sleep. Sometimes signal sounds like no, and that's enough. If it steals your peace, investigate it. If it strengthens your purpose, cultivate it. You don't need all the answers, just enough quiet to hear your next step. Noise to signal, signal to creation, creation to legacy. We don't force the frequency, we simply tune in.